So I guess what's most important to me in my life at the moment is like two things. Like one is just being a better father and also a better partner, better husband, better partner. Obviously, I'm not like mad into the whole, I'm not like crazy with the whole like needing to be wife and husband and all that, the institution, but better committed partner and a better father. And the other thing is, apart from these things in terms of relationships and people, even a better son, better, yeah. But my parents aren't alive. But in terms of just like Bruce Lee said, better son to your parents, better brother, sister, etc. There's all these things where you can be better at. But for me in my life, it's like to my toddler, my baby, my daughter, and my other children, and my partner. But the other thing is like overall emotional maturity. And that involves regarding like ancestral healing, my reactions, my unconscious reactional state that's automatic and in fight or flight versus not. So when we do one instead of the other, all hell breaks loose, just to keep the video short and simple. And when you learn to step into more of this way, you're stepping out of blame, you're stepping more into righting others instead of wronging them. You're stepping more into being a conscious co-creator that you take responsibility for instead of being a victim. You're stepping more out of the story in your head of all the badness of others and the rightness of you, stepping out of the ego. In one way, we could call the ego, because there's many ways you could describe the ego, and we're stepping more into compassion and love and a more emotionally mature state. You're stepping into emotional wellness here, and over there is emotional turmoil. And over here is all about disconnection and breakup of relationships, be it with your brother, family, sister, your relationship, especially your relationship, or even your friends. And over here, you're stepping into having peace and love, peace in your heart, and care and love. Was that my daughter calling me? I don't know. My beautiful beloved. So yeah, that's what's really important to me, because on this side, you can work on your relationships and you can build things, and that side, things disintegrate and fall apart, and there's a lot of pain, hurt, and even agony. So that's what my book is about. If anyone's interested in my free book, let me know, or also my main book, let me know. And also have a video course, so if you're interested in that, let me know. It's all about healing yourself, your life, your relationship, your family, and your ancestral line. So we don't keep passing on the same hurt, baggage, and unconsciousness to our children, or in our life, ruining our own life and ruining our own relationship, basically speaking. So it's a long journey. It's been a tough one for me. It's just a tough one. It's a very tough one, but it's a rewarding one. Little steps at a time. They build up, and we end up with more peace and happiness. But it's still challenging. I'm not saying it isn't. It is challenging, but it's well worth it. And there's no other road to take. The only other road is unconsciousness, and this road is consciousness. What to choose? It's an easy choice, but either way, it's well worth it. And lots of love. And I hope this video helps. So yeah, please do befriend me on Facebook, social media, whatever, and just check out my links below. If you need any coaching or help one-to-one, let me know. I'll help you to empower yourself as much as I can, so you won't need people like myself as much or at all. And if anyone wants 25% off herbs at my herb store, Higher Self Herbs, just check out the links below too. There's some pretty cool herbs there. My favorite one recently that I've been enjoying the most is probably the Bones and Joint Support formula, because sometimes I'm carrying my toddler excessively with his tender back or his thumb injury. And I also like Rejuvenate for my adrenal glands and energy. And I also like Super Mushroom for just overall multiple health benefits.